Test your knowledge. Join Traders Academy today.
In this lesson, we'll be discussing monitoring your account using IBKR Mobile on your Android phone. We'll cover viewing the account screen, portfolio, closing positions, and how you can configure notifications using the Trading Assistant. With IBKR Mobile, you can quickly monitor your account activity, including account balances, margin requirements, available funds, and market value details. To view your account information, tap the account icon from the main menu. The account screen opens with balances displayed. Use the button bar at the top to switch between pages of your account information window. Account balances for securities, commodities, and in total. Tap the double arrows next to Total in the Balances line at the top of the screen to switch between showing total amounts for your account, amounts in the securities segment of your account, and amounts only in the commodities segment of your account. Margins shows current initial maintenance margin and projected margin requirements. Funds shows you the state of your account, including available funds, buying power, and more. Market value shows a total value for all assets by currency, sorted by asset type, plus the account's net liquidation value, realized and unrealized P&L, and more. Values shown in the Total in USD column reflect total value of your account in the account's base currency. Tap the double arrows next to Total to show values in that currency. Only currencies in which you hold positions will be available. Plus swipe up to see the account's net liquidation value, realized and unrealized P&L. You can also access the mobile account management app, where you can run reports, transfer funds and positions, set market data, trade permissions, and more. With IBKR Mobile, you can view current positions along with key account metrics like daily P&L and market value. Tap the portfolio icon from the main menu. In the top section of the screen, you see your account, daily P&L, and net liquidation value. And below that, you'll see margin information, unrealized and realized P&L for your account. Below that are a list of your positions. Daily P&L is your profit and loss for the day. If you swipe to the very bottom of the screen, you'll see my daily P&L is using the Eastern time zone. You can tap the link below that to change your time zone and configuration. To search for a specific position, just tap the magnifying glass icon. For example, if I enter TSLA, I can then view TSLA in my portfolio or choose another instrument type. I'll tap Go to TSLA in Portfolio. If you tap the three-dotted icon on the top right, you can turn on or off account data, enable FX Portfolio, which includes currency positions in the list of positions, display closed positions or close all positions, group complex position legs, and show cash balance. Close all positions will open the order ticket and enable you to close 100% or a portion of your positions in your portfolio. You can sort your positions by asset type, instrument, and unrealized P&L. Select columns to manage the column headers and use the horizontal lines to the right to rearrange the columns. Tap Add Columns at the bottom to see more columns to choose from. For instance, I can tap Prices and add Change Since Open Percentage. Now you'll see that new column has been added to the portfolio screen. Lastly, on this screen, you can adjust the sort options. You can view your FYIs and bulletins by tapping the notification icon on the top right of the screen. Tap the gear icon to configure the FYI settings. For example, I can swipe up, turn on to be notified of option expiration. The Trading Assistant comprises a group of separately controlled notifications that can be set to proactively notify you when a user-specified market, account, position, and order activities warrant. Tap the menu icon and select Trading Assistant. Notifications occur in real time and are sent via email or text based on notification settings in account management. The Trading Assistant status shows the on-off status of each notification at the top of the screen. Let's take a look at the notification settings. Market notifications. Receive a notification if the daily price change % exceeds the bounds you defined for a specific instrument. Tap Add Security Index and enter a symbol. Threshold boundaries can be set between -5% and 5%. Use the slider to change the boundaries. You can add multiple symbols by tapping the green plus icon. Account notifications. Receive an alert when the margin cushion or daily P&L exceeds your boundary or range. Position notifications. Sends an alert if the % change of any of your positions exceeds the user-specified boundaries. And trade notifications. Turn on to receive a notification about executions. You can also define your delivery method and specify your time zone. You can monitor news for instruments in your portfolio. Just tap Portfolio News from the main menu. Tap any news item to see the article display. Tap the arrows on the right to scroll through news items. Tap the three-dotted icon, open in a browser, copy text, or access related tickers. You can use iBot to monitor your account and portfolio. Here are some examples. Current P&L, available funds, and what is my buying power?